Bluetooth 4.0 speaker. The model number is A3143. 20 watt output, dual 10 watt drivers. And I have to say that this is pretty decent for the price you pay. I did pay $59.99. I'll leave the Amazon link down below. And it's not the best looking thing. So this is slightly comparable to the Bose SoundLink Mini 2. Now, the Bose does sound much better than this, but for the price you pay on this, 60 bucks, I say it's a pretty good deal. I did have the UE Boom. I got it refurbished from Amazon. It had a bunch of connection issues and the bass wasn't really what I was looking for. It was pretty weak compared to this. I did pay, I think it was about 65 plus for the UE Boom refurb versus this $60 Anker brand new, and it does produce way better bass than the UE Boom. So here's the top, the power button, play button, the volumes down and up, and here's the Anker logo. I'm not sure if the camera will pick it up. There you go. And there's a little rubberized bottom. So this does come with a 20 watt output, the dual 10 watt each, 2 passive subwoofers for enhanced bass performance. And here on the left side there's nothing. And on the right side there's your auxiliary input and your micro USB connection to charge this device. So let's go ahead and turn it on. You hold the power button here and the light turns on. Little sound intro. And let me go ahead and turn on my Bluetooth on my phone. That's the sound that it has connected. So I'm gonna go ahead and play a track. There you have it. That was my quick review on the Anker Premium Stereo Bluetooth model number A3143. I hope you liked the video. Please go ahead and hit the like button and subscribe, and thanks for watching.